Amazon FBA is portrayed as some sort of get-rich-quick scheme, which is just utter nonsense. It's not going to be the case. If you watch YouTube, Instagram, the Reels, the Shorts, everything that you consume, it's all quick, made £500 in 30 minutes. And on this channel, we've done those clickbait titles too. It does work for the YouTube algorithm, so I apologize for anyone that's clicked on our videos that way, but hopefully the content has always been honest and true. And this video today is going to be no different. I'm going to explain to you potentially why Amazon FBA will not make you rich. Welcome back everyone to the channel. New setup again, constantly growing, evolving, trying new things to try and work the YouTube algorithm thing. One thing we're not so good at is working out how to promote and execute videos on YouTube. One thing we are good at though is selling goods. For me, I've been buying and selling stuff for the best part of 15 years now, way back in the day when I was just even on eBay and Gumtree, to scaling it right up until the point now where we're doing Amazon FBA wholesale orders, we're doing our own private label stuff. It's just organically grew, and that is why we're doing a YouTube channel now, because we're growing this organically too. Collectively though, the whole team that provide all our work for Deal Hunters, we've over 25 years experience, so this isn't by no means a small operation, and we're looking to keep growing our members. We had our recent member Jackson, who only joined Deal Hunters less than 3 weeks ago, who has made £10,000 in sales. And shout out to you, Jackson, well done, my friend. Now, £10,000 in a month might sound like a lot. First off, what a lot of YouTubers say is they have £100,000 in sales. They may have £100,000 in sales, but what's their return on investment? What is their actual profit at the end of that? That is something that a lot of people don't talk about. 100,000 in sales sounds great, but it might only be that you made 4 or 5 grand on that, and that might not be enough to pay the bills, never mind anything else. The second point that I want to make is everyone's expectations is slightly different. So one man's or woman's definition of rich could be completely different than the next person's. For example, Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. That is rich. But also, if someone was to come along to me and say, here's £5 million, I would go, well, now I'm rich. So what is the definition of rich? Well, it really does depend on everyone's different lifestyles. Can Amazon make you rich? Absolutely it can, but it all depends on your expectations. Like I said, I think the way Amazon FBA is being portrayed is that people think they're going to be buying a Lamborghini in the matter of months. That is not going to be the case. Potentially in years you could be owning a Lamborghini, but definitely not in months, and that is a guarantee. So again, everyone's expectations is going to be different, but Amazon FBA has been a tried and tested model that is as tale as old as time. You buy low and you simply sell high. Wholesale orders is the key for me. That's where the big drivers are, and private label. But as I said at the start of this video, to get your foot in the door, you should understand the business model. To understand the business model, you should definitely consider taking our 7-part series course that is very simple, very basic, high level, but it is more than enough to get you doing online and retail arbitrage. Then if you scale that up, you should join our Deal Hunters group, where you'll get deals that will give you all the online buys that you need, and you could literally, just like Jackson, make 10 grand in 3 weeks. These are realistic expectations, and these are things that you can most certainly learn by subscribing to the channel, if you don't mind, and also checking out all the content that we offer. What I really like personally about Amazon FBA, it gives me the freedom to do pretty much anything that I want. If I want to go on holiday, I can go on holiday, and guess what? I can still work there, like this video.
Hey everyone, just another video. I'm actually out in Spain at a family home. Lovely weather, lovely spot. Represented as always, Deal Hunters. And this is the good thing about Amazon FBA. I'm sitting here checking my phone, trying not to do it too much, but checking my phone from time to time and just seeing sales go through, and it's all automated for the likes of Profit Protector Pro, which completely just automates the whole service, the whole system, buying low, selling high, the whole automated practice, aggressive sales, matching the buy box, whatever settings you want. It just automatically does it all. You've got the Sellerboard calculating your FBA fees. It'll alert you if there's any changes to your stuff, so you can really enjoy time away with your family. And that's really what this is all about for me. It's just about trying to get onto autopilot, getting it to a point where you can just make money, firstly for doing nothing. On days like this, if you're self-employed, if you're a tradesman, when you stop working, you don't get paid. It's as simple as that. With Amazon FBA, you can be self-employed, you can be your own boss, and you still get paid when you're away. You can build up infantry, you can set up systems and automated services to be able to deal with all this. Your prep centers are still packing, they're still doing everything in the background, you're just sitting here. Now it takes a lot of hard work, don't get me wrong, this is not something that can happen overnight, but with Deal Hunter's help, you can most certainly get an understanding of this immediately, and by the end of this month start banking some coin. Start off slowly till you feel comfortable and build it up like anything. I honestly can't recommend it enough. It's changed my life anyway. Cheers. Look at that pale milk skin. Isn't that lovely? That's the good Irish body, like, but still representing, still here, still enjoying it. But the milk skin it's rare, like. But my days of trying to get tan are long gone. I just burned, so I just accepted it, and now I just wear a factor 50 all day. Don't know why I'm telling you this, like, but yeah.
What I also like about things is it gives me opportunities to do things that would never have been probably possible before. I can go away and spend a lot of money on different types of things and experience different types of experiences. Like the recent experience where we went away to London and we got to experience a UFC fight in a box and just live the good life with my friends as well, the Framptons. Carl is a two-time weight champion, getting to live a bit of the VIP lifestyle, if you want to say that. Things like that is the type of things that you can gain from the Amazon FBA dream.
What I love about Amazon selling is nights like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the prospect,
Most importantly, the thing that I value the most, that my time is my own. Regardless if I'm doing Amazon FBA, whether that be the very basic stuff like opening boxes and labeling, I do that on my own terms. I do that and only answer to me. If something goes wrong, it's my fault. If something goes right, it's my praise. The only downside to working on your own is the fact that Christmas nights out are a bit dull. So to summarize, is Amazon FBA going to make you rich? It really depends on your definition. Elon Musk rich? Not a chance. But a rich lifestyle that you feel comfortable in, you can provide for your family, you can experience good things, abso-friggin-lutely. And if you want to expedite it and want to start the process, click the links down below, leave a comment for any future videos. Like I say, we're back doing videos flat out. We plan to do a lot more content, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you in the next one.